I've noticed recently, looking at both the members forum and the members gallery, how popular the little street scenes and house details are. Often these are of Mediterranean areas with some nice warm sunshine. Perhaps it's because it reminds us of past holidays. But as I say, I've noticed how popular they are, so I thought we'd do another one today. And this is Lefkara village in Cyprus. But the location's not as important as the fact that it has all those elements. It has a nice warm feel, lovely rustic woodwork, window with some curtains, and all these potted plants in front with both flowers and foliage, which soften all the harsh stonework. And it's important with this one that you don't overwork it. As you're painting along, keep stepping back, sitting back at what you're doing, maybe make a cup of tea and leave it a bit and have another look. So easy to almost start painting every leaf on the plants and every stone in the wall. It's about capturing the atmosphere and the feel of a warm sunny day more than anything else.